welcome back to Amanda's Reality. Damn, this noise is getting in the way, yo. Gosh, so I won't be doing much talking. What is your problem? So we're trying to shift this bed into another position. What is wrong with you? Lean it up towards the dresser.
Lean up, we have to lean up.
You have to lean up so you can.
Yeah, the instruction.
We're a supervisor. You see, you have to lean it up. Lean it upright. See? Shot bolts. Supervisor know what to do.
So now lean it up.
No.
Help to lean it up.
No, I told you to lean it up towards you, so you were like, no.
What is it? Now.
Careful for what? You're supposed to be front.
Up in the air. We can do. Like that.
Oh my God. That's my mirror.
You're not going to ruffle. You're not going to go up it open at the ear and then spin it.
Alright, this is supposed to be the front.
Like what you got. Sit there so and spin it. Well, the match of there, I can go spin. Match should I go?
Just dry it up, dry it up. And turn. Dry and turn.
What you in there?
Just push and turn. Turn.
Wait, I'm going to the room.
Yeah, we're changing up the room, guys. Okay, which way are turning now? Which way are turning?
You're turning something. That's our fun.
Put your foot in
The battery really fuck up over here so you put program. Push it over now.
there. It's already over. You can't go over
Push
there.
over and something.
Watch a nice clean mattress. Okay. Okay, I have to call you back though. I can call you back.
Man, I bet me say, I bet you can't fix it. I bet you can't fix it. People buy and they come back to me because me fix up it for them.
Me? What about the confidence you know against
So
it?
expect up now.
Wow.
He give me number to call him. So if anything, you call him and he comes to pick it up.
You heard? My daughter can set it up. What a vote of confidence for me now. Hello?
Set up what? Take that number and if anything.
Where's the manual? Where's the manual?
Take the manual.
They better think that they come with manual.
Probably in the box. Probably in the box.
Okay, viewers, we're going to attempt to set up a TV stand. Wish us luck, please. My daughter can set it up for me. So many parts. Parts number 1, parts number 2. Part number 3, part 1, part 2, part 3. Guys, wish us luck. Oh, I like this. It has a nice little design on it. This is nice. Stay tuned for the finishing setup, guys. So we have lined up all the parts for it. So we're about to begin. It's the next day, guys, and we haven't finished setting up this thing. So we're gonna finish setting it up today. So when it's finished, I give you guys a better look at it. Happy Sunday! There you have it, folks. A lovely TV stand. Look at that. Just gonna clean it down and then put the TV on it. There's the back. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that. Thank you all for watching again. Nice. Thank you for watching Amanda's Reality. See you next time. Bye.